What's up, guys? It is Wednesday. I was sitting in the house and I heard all this commotion going on outside, and came out, started talking to the guys here. There's a cleaning, a drainage cleaning program. I wouldn't even say it's a program. There's a drainage cleaning there's a draining clogging problem. Like me talking, my words are clogged up in my mouth and I don't know what to say. But we have a problem here in this area. Let me show you. There's a major problem right now with one of the pipes being clogged up. Now, it has not rained here hard in a few days, but this area here, you can see it. It's this is just one of the streets that are having this problem here. The lines are clogged up and things are backing up, and you've got all this water here. Here's this puppy. That's the puppy Hannah Grace feeds all the time. Good morning. That's all wet over in there, huh? Yeah. Like that whole lot over there is just soaking wet, and now they're digging a ditch here to drain some of that water out of here. But the problem is the drainages here are just clogged, so it can't go anywhere. Like I said, it has not rained here like a real good hard rain in a while. I mean, we'll get some rain, but nothing major hard going on. But you can see here, puppy, you can see here the water is just flowing, and I'll show you where it's flowing out of. It is flowing out of this manhole, this drain hole right here. Hang on, let me cut this off quick. All right, had to have him turn the music down. But you can see here, this drain here is just completely full, that it's running down and running down and running down. So it's clogged here. Now I walked up here, and the other drain they have open now doesn't have as much, but when it rains here, I tell you what, these roads, some of these side roads, the water's so high, it looks like it's going to go into the houses. There's a drain here. They clean that out, but a lot of this, sad to say, is just from the garbage. It's garbage clogs up these drain systems. Not that'll break down. But here's the other hole, the manhole they have open. You can see the water's in there. And that is some nasty water. Here's what I was told. This area we live in is a private subdivision, as they want to say. There's supposed to be homeowners organization here. In other words, there's a homeowners group here. Sorry for my hand, I'm talking with my hand. There's supposed to be a group of people here that they're a homeowner or association, and they get together and they take in money, or they ask for money, and the money they take in is supposed to go towards things like this, like keeping the drains open, unclogging the drains. Because right now, what you have now is the barangay here. The barangay officials are here, and their workers are here, and they're the ones that are doing it. So the government is coming in here now to do this, you know, the local government. Check out the trike. This is the barangay trike. Check it out. Got a little video machine, a little TV, so you can sing as you go down the road. But that's what's going on. The barangay officials are coming in here, so the government, local government here, has to take its resources, its workers, and stuff. You guys all volunteer, all volunteers. So these guys are just volunteering their time to do this, to open up everything. But they, these are barangay guys. But yeah, I'll come down here. I'll show you area down here too. So that's what's happening. There's supposed to be, a council, I guess you would say, for this area here, because it's considered a private subdivision, and they're supposed to be allocating money and taking in money and to be used for projects like this, and he told me it's not happening. I don't know the whole political aspects of it all. I rent, so it's not even my, you know, my thing. But this is what woke me up. It's like, what is going on out here? Well, it didn't wake me up, it drew my attention out here. These are guys here too that are doing the work. But this hole here, this is right across from our house. It's always flowing. The water's always flowing. It's all backed up. Like I said, it stinks. They had buckets there earlier, but they gave up on that one. They were bailing a lot of just nasty water out of here. Now these guys here, there's a manhole there. That's on somebody's private, it's somebody's driveway, as you can see. And they've been trying to get that open now for about 15 minutes. Because that's one of the drain openings. They've been working on it. Sledgehammer, pry bar. They got their safety masks on. Their eye shields. Oh, that thing is in there. Is it loose? Yeah. I'll go grab him guys some water then. A bunch of water. But you can see it just flows down, 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 down this street here. That's just coming out of there. Somebody's doing laundry or washing there. Yeah, eggplants. This guy planted eggplants all out here. All right. Hooked him up with some water. Got a new approach now. Gave up on this hole. That's just a tough hole right there. They're beating on that, beating on that, and beating on that. They're just not moving. So now they're coming to the street here. And they're going to break open the street here. Try to get into the drain. No jackhammers. Manual jackhammer.
Without jackhammer, sir?
No jackhammer. Brute strength. Don't matter, you'll make it work. These guys, they might destroy the whole street, but they'll get to that drain. Love it. Might have a new street by the time this is done, right? Yoshimi's gold's in there.
Yeah.
We think Yoshimi's gold's in there. Yoshimi? The Japanese general that hid the gold? Maybe that's what's clogging it up. Yoshimi's gold. Wouldn't that be a great find? All right, getting close. All right, let's walk up to the other project that's going on. Maybe by the time we get back, they'll have that open. They'll have that area open. This is all eggplants here too. I didn't even notice that. Amazing. An apartment there on the left for rent. Ah, yeah. I know, it doesn't take much to entertain me. You know, you got things going on outside here, so I'll just show you. Break out the camera and show you. Here's the other work crew up here. I don't know what they're doing. See if there's any progress. See, like the one barangay official was telling me too. Yeah, if the association that's in here got together, they also could enforce, you know, the garbage here that's in this area. Like the guy said, if you live there, this is your property. You know, it's your responsibility to keep it clean, even though people do throw the garbage. Still your responsibility. Look at that. Boy, that stinks. That just reeks. Whew. You don't want to step in there in bare feet, that's for sure. All right, so I knew this was going to happen eventually. The homeowner now is out there talking to them because they're tearing that up there, right in front of the house, the driveway, that little manhole that they've been trying to get into, and they got that all beat up. And then in front the driveway there, you guys seen it, they're tearing up the driveway to get to that manhole there. But I knew that was going to happen. I knew the homeowner eventually would have to come out, address the situation. I'd be the same way if I was a homeowner, like, hey, okay, you're doing this, you're going to fix it, right? But as soon as I can, I'll get over there and I'll show you. But I got it dug up pretty good. All right, so here's the update. They've been on this for about an hour and a half now. Got a little bit of water there. Still banging away on that manhole. I'm telling you, Yosemite's Gold's down there. They're making it hard to get to. So that's the update. Ah, yeah. Like I was telling Lut too, I said, you know what? We've always noticed that the mosquitoes are bad around here. So, you know, down the road there, where that, you know, where that area is, down that way. That area down there where that lot is, where it's just a swamp. You know, where they were digging ditches, drainage to try to drain that land area. That's a breeding ground for mosquitoes. And mosquitoes are bad around here. They've always been bad around here, unless it's like midsummer and everything's completely dry. So that would explain probably where all these mosquitoes have been coming from. But anyways, these guys will get it. Might take them all day, but they'll get it. You know, it's you see, they don't have the you know, the modern tools that a construction company would use to dig open something like that. You know, they just hammer, pry bar, hammer, pry bar, and a shovel. That's how they do it here. From my understanding, these guys are volunteers too. They're barangay volunteers that are doing that. I could be wrong. But yeah, that's the update. I'm gonna head inside now. It's getting warm. It's around lunchtime. These guys will take their 12 to 1 o'clock lunch break and go back at it. So anyways, just figured I'd share the little excitement that's going on here in our hood. And with that being said, you know what, take care of yourself, take care of each other, take care of the sick, the elderly, and the young. If you have pets, take care of your pets, and we'll talk to you later.